What's up, cyberspace? This is Mike here. Been a little while since you see my face. I wanted to do a movie review last week, but I lost my voice. And then I was going to do a pickup video today, but there's a power outage. So if it comes back one later, I'll probably do that. But right now I gotta go get the tires fixed in the Jeep. Okay, so power's finally back on. And my voice is back. So I'll do a couple Amazon unboxings here. Let's see what we got. Flow My Tears, the Policeman Said by Philip K. Dick. I've been reading some of his books the last few years and am always pleasantly surprised. Thought this one looked pretty good. It's about a famous talk show host that wakes up one day and nobody knows who he is. So I don't know if it's an alternate reality or that kind of thing, but his books are awesome. That's all I can say. Let's see, here's the next one. Man, get them in there. Okay, first up, my son is a huge Ghostbusters fan, so I got some of these books for him, the little golden books. He loves Ghostbusters, as do I. So, and he's learning how to spell, so I thought I'd pick a few of those up. Here's another book, Mickey Mouse. Also loves Mickey Mouse. First movie up, Tango and Cash. Been trying to pick this one up for a little while. I was kind of waiting for the price to go down. I know it's the old style case. The old cardboard case. Man, is this how hard movies were to open 12 years ago? Okay, there we are. One of the most badass duos of all time, Stallone, Kurt Russell. Imagine it's full frame on one side and widescreen on the other. Standard widescreen. This is the one I've been really waiting on here. Don't drop the camera again. If you don't have one of these, get one. I use that just about every day. Not the ball opener part, but the screwdriver part. Very handy. Okay, these last two movies, been hearing a lot about this company, especially one of these releases being a very good print, and finally decided to check the company out. This one first. This is the first one, Pumpkinhead. This is the one I've really been hearing a lot about. Oh, Shout Factory. That's the, or Scream Factory. Right there. Been hearing a lot about how well they're doing. Thought I'd check them out. This isn't one I normally, I mean, these are kind of movies I do dig, but I really wouldn't really go out of my way to get something like this. But I heard the print is very good. Wow. That's really cool artwork on the disc and the original poster. So it's got reversible cover. That's really cool. But I've heard that print is awesome, and I've seen the movie. It is a really good movie. I have to watch it again. The next one, I've been looking for this movie for a long time and finally found it decently priced. Dog Soldiers. Oh, it's got DVD. So, I love werewolf mythology, and it is hard to find a good werewolf movie. I've never seen this. This is kind of a blind buy. But I don't think I've ever heard anything negative about this movie. So, once again, Scream Factory. So these are my first two Scream Factory movies. There's the Blu-ray, DVD, and it too has reversible artwork. That's really cool. I really like this artwork though. That's awesome. That's cool. I don't know if they all do that, if they do that on all their movies. I would assume. I didn't get the slipcover. I think those are like limited. But yeah. I mean, that's just awesome artwork right there. That's cool. A lot of special features. Really seemed like they really put time and effort, that they make releases for movie buffs, for the fans, and that's cool. Yep. I'm gonna check them out. Hopefully they're really good additions. If you like Scream Factory, if you got any recommendations, let me know, because it does seem like they really put time and effort into their releases. Yeah, a lot of special features. That was cool. I'll be watching this one tonight.